Hey there, welcome to today's video where we'll tackle an interesting problem together. Imagine you have a file with n whitespace delimited columns and an additional column containing spaces that you want to preserve. How can you efficiently extract the desired data while handling these specific requirements? Now let's delve into the solution. In this case, we can utilize AWK to achieve our goal. By employing a clever approach, using the sub function, we can manipulate the text to extract the necessary information while preserving the column with spaces intact. The provided AWK command executes a pattern match to remove the first one or two columns, including any leading and trailing spaces. This method effectively isolates and extracts the desired data columns while retaining the column with spaces within the text. Continuing with the solution, let's explore the practical application of the AWK command on a sample input. By applying the provided command to a text dataset containing whitespace delimited columns, we can observe how the selective extraction of columns is executed. The output showcases the successful removal of unwanted columns while preserving the target data, demonstrating the effectiveness of this AWK approach in handling such scenarios efficiently. Moving forward with our exploration, let's examine the final output generated by the AWK command. The extracted data exemplifies the precise removal of unnecessary columns, retaining only the specified text content from each row. This refined output demonstrates the capability of the AWK command in efficiently processing text files with complex column structures, showcasing its versatility in extracting targeted information effectively. In summary, we've successfully addressed the initial problem by leveraging AWK to extract specific data columns while handling spaces within the text. The application of the provided AWK command enabled the precise extraction of desired information, showcasing a practical and efficient solution to this text processing challenge. Feel free to experiment with this method in your own projects, and remember to stay curious and keep exploring new solutions. Catch you in the next video. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Happy coding!